warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi great students. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the online application. The name is Zoom Cloud Meetings. So there are two activities for today. The first one, how to schedule the meeting in Zoom Cloud Meetings, and the second, how to practice make the recording in Zoom Cloud Meetings. Enjoy it. First, please log in into your account in the website zoom.us and then find the menu meetings and then schedule meeting. The next, please input your topic, for example science class, and then description. This is optional. You can enter your meeting description when, this is related with the date and time, for example 9 a.m. duration, how long, for example 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this is time zone. And this is a menu recurring meeting. That means the same meeting will be used for all meetings in one semester, for example. So we do not make the new one for the meeting ID and the password. And then this is passcode. This is generated automatically, and you can change also, for example science. And this is the video host on or off, participants on or off, and then audio. And then for the meeting options, allow participants to join anytime. That means your student can enter your Zoom anytime. No need to wait in the waiting room, so they can join without admit by you as a teacher. And then mute participants, upon entry. This one, so all students no voice when enter the Zoom. And then save. Okay, this is success. How to share this link into your students. You can copy in here, copy invitation, click, and you can copy meeting invitation, and then you can copy into WhatsApp group or email to your students. Okay. Next, let's do practice how to record the teaching activity in the Zoom. You can double click the application Zoom, and then new meeting, click new meeting. Join with the computer audio. Then we can also change the background, for example this one. Okay, so we have already ourselves with the camera, and then share the material. This one. Okay, please see the menu for the record. Click record on this computer, and then let's start the teaching activity.
Recording in progress.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi good students. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the living things in the world. The name is vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals which have a vertebral column. The vertebral column is sometimes called the spinal column or just the spine, and consists of the chains of the cylindrical bones or vertebrae join end to the end. Let's see, this is one kind of the example for vertebrates. The name is fish. there are parts of the fish. The first one scale, the second dorsal fin, the third tail fin, the next anal fin, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, and the last operculum covering gills. Okay, students, there are some features in vertebrates, and for today only discuss about fish. Thank you very much for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then you can see the menu, Zoom, and stop recording.
Recording stopped.
Then stop share, and then please end the meeting, for all. And let's wait for the convert meeting recording. Finish. So let's see the result in document, and then zooms, all the zooms. This one, there are 3 files, audio only, so that means only audio, no video in the recording result, and then playback, and we use the zoom 0. This is combination audio and video. You can rename, for example, fish. For example, cruciality, Zoom recording. Okay, let's check the recording result. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good students. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the living things in the world. The name is vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals which have a vertebral column. The vertebral column is sometimes called the spinal column or just the spine, and consists of the chains of the cylindrical bones or vertebrae join ends to the end. Let's see, this is one kind of the example for vertebrates. The name is fish. There are parts of the fish. The first one scale, the second dorsal fin, the third tail fin, the next anal fin, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, and the last operculum covering gills. Okay, students, there are some features in vertebrates, and for today only discuss about fish. Thank you very much for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then you can see the menu, Zoom, and stop recording. Okay, so student, we can see in here there is a date and time when we record. So make sure in your Zoom you on at a stamp. For example, this one. In the application of Zooms, settings, click settings, and then click recording. this one. So please make sure you click add a timestamp to the recording. That means in your recording will be see date and hour. Okay, let's do practice. Good luck. Okay, we have learned about the step-by-step to use the Zoom Close Meeting. Next, let's do practice together, and hopefully you can get one by one the step, and then you can make the product. Okay, wish you luck.